Philately, which means the collection and study of postal stamps and postal materials, is known as the king of hobbies and hobbies of the kings. It also refers to the collection and appreciation of stamps and other philatelic products. It is a hobby which has fascinated many people for years. Dr. Vinay Kumar Sharma of Shillong is no exception. Here is a report.
Attracted by the colors and design of postal stamps, Dr. Vinay Kumar Sharma loves of collecting stamps began from his boyhood days. He recalls how he used to visit shops in search of envelopes just to collect postage stamps. However, his collections remained in his box for years. Only after meeting a friend, his passion got revived.
You see, stamp collecting when I was a young boy, those times it was a very common hobby. And we were very much attracted to the colors of the stamps. And everybody used to receive letters someday or the other. Many business houses especially, they used to receive letters every day, almost every day. So what we used to do, we used to go to those shops and ask them for the envelope. If they did not give, we used to say, please let us tear this stamp part only. So that's how I used to collect stamps.
Over the years, Dr. Vinay Kumar has participated in several competitions and exhibitions and won medals. His area of expertise is the fiscal and revenue stamps of the princely states of India. Recently, at a competition held in Assam in October this year, he had won the Vermeil Special Prize for his collection of Dharang Gadra state.
If you want to showcase your stamps, you have to prepare exhibits and take part in exhibitions, which are held by the Department of Post or off and on, not very regularly. Like the state level exhibition, it's held once in 2 to 4 years. So Northeast comprises of all the states except Assam.
An eminent philatelist of Meghalaya, Dr. Vinay Kumar has given several lectures in seminars and visited several schools to create an awareness on philately. According to him, those who take up stamps collection as a passion, their knowledge gets broadened.
Fortunate, I was very fortunate, everything was intact because I had preserved it very well. And that was the day when I restarted my philately. That was, I think, in the year, 2008, when I restarted, and till today I'm deep into it and I'm getting deeper into it.
He says those who want to take up philately, he is ready to help them.
I do not call myself an expert, but of course, if you want to collect and exhibit something, you cannot exhibit everything. You have to look for specialization. It may be any topic, but I personally, I specialize in the fiscal and revenues of some of the princely states of India.
Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.